It has been my long standing belief that India has the ability to deliver to the world a robust model for providing universal health coverage. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, not only has such a model been envisioned, but it is also being implemented successfully. As you are all aware, the government has been working diligently to fulfill its commitment of providing universal health coverage by launching the overarching Ayushman Bharat program in 2018. The scheme has completely revolutionized primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare system in the country with a strong focus on preventive health care. The flagship program has two interlinked components. The first being the health and wellness centers for providing of comprehensive primary healthcare services closer to the community, and the second is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana providing health assurance to the vulnerable population of the country. Through bi-directional linkages between the two, the government has been making quality healthcare affordable and accessible for crores of people in the country. Under this ambitious program, we eventually aim to cover each and every citizen of India. We have made remarkable progress in operationalizing Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers and crossed a major landmark in our journey. With more than 50,000 centers now functional, one-third of the target has been met. This has led to improved access to affordable primary health care services for more than 25 crore people. It is our aim to establish 1.5 lakh such centers by December 2022. A massive 29.95 crore footfall has been recorded at 51,483 functional centers till date. Apart from this, more than 6.89 crore people have been screened for hypertension and more than 5.62 crore people have been screened for diabetes through these health and wellness centers. Even during the pandemic, the health and wellness centers remained operational, reflecting the resilience of health systems. It ensured delivery of essential non-COVID health services while also addressing the urgent task of managing COVID-19 and preventing its transmission. Similarly, in these unprecedented times, I am pleased to know that under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, more than 1.45 crore cashless treatments worth over 17,500 crore have been provided to the poorest citizens. This health assurance program is a huge source of support and security for millions of families reeling under the extreme stress of serious illnesses. I would like to take this opportunity to salute our primary healthcare workers who have been at the forefront of our battle against COVID-19. In spite of the risks, each one rose to this unprecedented challenge and continued serving society selflessly. Through their tireless efforts, they have ensured that we have been effective in tackling the pandemic while also ensuring that provision of essential healthcare services remained unhindered. We have received nominations from all states and union territories for more than 700 primary healthcare workers across country. Though the felicitation is virtual, I would like to convey to all the primary healthcare workers that your zeal, commitment and sincere efforts serve as an inspiration for all of us and strengthen our resolve to work with utmost dedication to build buoyant healthcare systems. All of you, be it our frontline health workers, the medical officers, or the community health officers, You are the backbone of the India's healthcare delivery system. Your dedication towards serving society and the way all of you answered the call of duty is highly admirable.